Every once in a while, you're going to need additional help with After Effects or many applications. And fortunately, many applications these days do have, let me go ahead and close this updater. Thank you, Adobe, a help menu. And under the help menu, in After Effects particularly, you see a whole bunch of stuff here. Now, the two I want to talk about right away are these guys right here. You can choose to look for updates to the application, and you also have the ability to deactivate After Effects on your computer. Now, a lot of people get confused by this and want to know why you have to do that. Well, when you install After Effects, it is registered to that particular machine. So if you buy a brand new computer, you should deactivate your version on the old machine and then install your After Effects on the new machine and then activate it there. So that's what this does for you. You also have the ability here to send feedback to Adobe. You can go to the After Effects Support Center. You can go to scripting help for you programmers out there. You want to know about scripting and expressions. You also have animation presets, keyboard shortcuts, and you also have welcome and the tip of the day. I'll go ahead and click on that. This is generally the window that you will see pop up when you first launch After Effects. And as a matter of fact, every time you launch After Effects, unless you don't want to see this anymore. In that case, you deselect right here where it says show welcome and tip of the day at startup. But this is a nice little friendly hello, and I like to keep it open. You can open up projects here. You can create new compositions. You can browse through templates, and you can also go through help and support. You can see the new features. You can access help, and you can also choose getting started right here as well. Also, as you can see here, there are 286 tips of the day, and this is tip of the day 25. So if you want to scroll through these, just go ahead and hit these arrows and you can read all the little friendly tips of the day. These will change by themselves. If you want to search for help, you can go ahead and click on here and search the tips. I'll go ahead and close that for now. I'll go to After Effects Help because this is pretty in-depth actually. As you can see here, it opens up another interface. This is the Adobe Help. It's a different application altogether. And there are a lot of things in here. You can see the PDF. You can look at how to use After Effects. You can see what's new. And when you click on things, they scroll open and you can see other things that are available. You can also move your mouse across the hot text here and click on things to read about the topic. Likewise, you can always click here to go back to the home. And when you click on home, you can get the help for the product that you're interested in. So if you have After Effects open and you want to know how to use it with Photoshop or something, you go ahead and click on that. Likewise, I go ahead and click on After Effects again. I can click here and enter what I'm looking for. So let's say I want to know about masks. So I'll go ahead and type masks and I'll go ahead and hit enter or return. And now everything that has something to do with masking shows up here. So here's Adobe After Effects CS5 mask modes. I'll click on this and I can read about it over here. So it's kind of cool. So don't forget, guys, when you need extra help or if there's something that's really sticking on you and you can't quite figure it out, don't forget to choose the help menu and also visit the forums. People are very friendly in general and they will help answer questions that you have. And likewise, I always ask that you do the same for other people who might be new to the application.